All right, so we're going for another drive as usual, and this time it's Friday afternoon, so finished work, and it was like, hey, Andy, come meet me down in town so we can go up in the hills for just a little while. I drove the Jeep today, which was a good thing because it was so foggy this morning driving into work that I couldn't see more than about 30 feet in front of me, and the Jeep has the best fog lights on it, so it was good I took this thing and not my car. But because of that, I was inspired to go ahead and want to take an afternoon drive, and so we're going to do that. It's about 4:30-ish, so we've only got about, it's almost 5 actually. We've only got about an hour left of time before sunset. Justin and Anna have joined us. They are behind in their truck. It's a nice truck, so we're not going to be going off into any crazy off-road. We don't want to damage their beautiful rig, but they wanted to go with us, and so we're just going to go up number 2 canyon. We are heading into, we're aiming for a lookout, and it's a really pretty lookout that overlooks a valley that you can't see unless you either drive the way we're going, or if you know the back road into it out of Kashmir. It's a really spectacular view. It's got some roads down into it, although I don't think we'll have time to take any of them. So we're just gonna make it to that lookout and then have dinner together. We have, of course, with us the wife and the kids in the back.
Hi.
Oh, look at that, they got some enthusiasm. All right, well, more to come. Doing okay?
Yep, we're good. Justin's breaking his truck in.
Why is he breaking his truck?
Just as long as he's not breaking his truck.
Yeah, exactly.
So straight ahead here, behind the gate, it's now only hiking only, but it's a cool meadows up in there. You can't go up there anymore driving.
on this one.
Yeah, this is we like this view.
That's really pretty.
Yeah, it's a super really good view.
The tamaracks up there, big section of them, pretty
Yep.
yellow.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
What
There,
a tamarack.
the yellow.
So this is the view we like to come see. Right now it's a little bit clouds rolling over the top, but it's pretty nice. We made it. There's two different paths. I think Justin and Anna took the less rutty path. Ours had some pretty big ruts. But it's a great spot. There's a trail that starts right over here, and that gate that we saw down below that was closed, this trail connects into that and goes all the way down that valley on that side over there. So that's pretty nice. This valley here is the valley that will run out into Kashmir, and along the ridge over there is Devil's Gulch, which is a famous trail for biking. You start over here and you ride the ridge line for most of it, and you can't see the ridge right here because the clouds are covering it, but it continues along, and then you start to drop down towards the last little bit here, towards the bottom of this valley where there's a bottom parking lot, and that's usually where most people leave their vehicle and they load up and then they drive out into Kashmir. But this is kind of a hidden lookout. The only way to get here is the way we came in. So this is a pretty great spot. It's a little bit windy right now, but it still feels pretty good. It's fall, so it's a little bit cold. But I think we'll enjoy our dinner. Maybe we'll kind of move the vehicles to block the wind a little bit. At least it's not pouring rain. All right, Justin, what are you having? Food, right?
Noodles.
Noodles and chicken.
Noodles.
No, nummy. Did you guys make that?
Oh, I did.
Nice. Noodles and chicken.
Yeah.
Well,
Not to like.
well, today, what are we having, honey?
Takeout.
Takeout. That's right.
Tacos.
Yeah.
Takeout tacos.
Since the trip was short notice, we just decided, well, we'll just grab something and go. So we're having tacos. Ooh, juice for the kids. That almost looks like a beer.
Fresh cider.
Better.
Ooh, fresh cider. Did you make it yourself?
No.
Where did you get the bottle for it?
Oh, we've had it. We just filled them.
Oh, okay. Ooh, that looks good. Hi, Zagashjan.
Hi.
Did you eat dinner already?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Did you have popcorn chicken?
Coco with the turkey.
Yeah, popcorn chicken.
Coco
Yeah.
Coco in it.
Oh, uh-huh.
Your face.
Oh. Your feet? Yeah, you got your feet? Wow. It's snot.
Well, we tried to stay up high. We got pulled down into the rut. Yeah. Good thing there's a tree right there. We have to pull
Justin can go around the front of me and
Hi. What is
the kids cover it.
That was epic.
That was fun.
Connor, attach your
in the
thing to
camera, you can see Connor just shaking as I go by.
even see off of it. I can't see in front.
I guess I didn't look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That was kind of funny.
All right, well, that concludes this trip. It was pretty nice. It was pretty short, but it was good for a Friday after work. Just go up to that view, have a few little side trails to play with, some mud puddles. That was pretty fun. What'd you think, hon?
It was nice. Nice to get a house, beautiful view, and then we had some crazy sliding going on.
Yeah, there was some mud from the rain that made it feel like you're just on a sheet of ice or something. It was crazy. But yeah, it was good. I look forward to the next trip. So thanks for watching.
And please subscribe.